Hello there. So today I've decided for no real reason to print a 3D-Benchy at 500% the normal size. So 5 times the normal size. It says it's going to take 2 days and 12 hours to print. I'm going to be using 0.15 millimeter layer height because I'm going for quality over speed. My infill is 8% cubic infill pattern. My speed is 60 millimeters a second, and that's really it. So, yeah, let's get to printing it. Alrighty, so this is my Artillery Signwriter X2. This is my USB stick that I have the G-code on. I'm gonna plug that in here. There we go, it's lighting up. And I have some rainbow filament which I want to print it in, so I'm gonna have to change this filament roll to the rainbow one, which is in here. I haven't even opened yet. So I'm gonna load this up and I'll be right back. Okay, new filament locked and loaded. I just need to clean up the bed now, then we'll start printing. Okay, it is time to start this 2-day print. Confirm. Alright, it's calibrating, and then it'll start. And it's placing down first layer now. Looks like the first layer needs to be a bit higher, so I can baby step here. There. Alright, I'll check back in just a bit. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that this is FlashForge PLA Pro. So, yeah. Turning out pretty well so far. The first layer especially. The first layer was successful. And it's late at night. I'm gonna go get some Z's, wake up in the morning and see where the print is at. So I'll see you until then. Alright, I just woke up. We're officially 10 hours in. It's looking pretty good so far, I think. It's huge. Absolutely huge. I'm gonna go to school now. I'll be back within the next 8 hours. I just got home from school, and this is where we're at so far. We're at 16 hours of printing so far, 20% complete. That's what it looks like. It's already placed on the floor for it. Looking pretty good so far also. Decently smooth layers. It's 2 o'clock the next day, almost 40 hours in. And this is where we're at, boys. How happy this is going so far. Alright, I'll see you in the night. Okay, we are now 50 hours in. If I sound a bit weird, that's because I'm sick. And this is how far we are. We're almost there. Hopefully, when I wake up the next morning, it'll be done. And I get it. And I have to go to bed now, so. Yep. Okay, I woke up the next morning. 50 hours in. 58 hours in. And we're almost finished. Almost there. I'm about to go to church right now. And when I get back from church, it should be finished. So yeah, I'll be back after church. 59 hours, 30 minutes, and 10 seconds of printing. And it's finally finished. After 60 hours of printing. Finally. Now I will start off by saying the print does not look perfect whatsoever, which is expected. Like there's stringing in some spots, but I can just clean that off. And yeah, let me show you this thing. Finally. It just pops right off the build plate. This thing is just absolutely huge. It's got quite a bit of stringing. I probably just needed to change my retraction settings a bit. But it's really a pretty good print. This is also by far my longest print I've ever done, with my second longest being my Baby Groot character, which is right here. And this is still my my print that I'm most impressed by, because it is just crazy how much detail this thing has at 0.01 millimeter layer height. This I printed at 0.15, like I said at the beginning of the video, but this thing still looks darn awesome. I'm very happy with it. Layer lines are also visible, which is a bit annoying, but it's not too big of a deal considering this is a big print. Overhangs are pretty good, just like a few bumps at the top. Not too bad. The overhang for the hole looks perfect. The window, bridging for the window, looks also pretty good. Just a slight dip in the very middle. Not too big of a deal though. I love this thing. And I'll see you guys in the next video.